Hi everyone! So today I want to show you how I make my authentic pizza dough. So I learned how to make pizza in Naples in Italy when I was traveling. This crust is really amazing and I think you should try it. So here you see me, I have a little bit of warm water and yeast, and I let it sit for 1 or 2 minutes, and I will take a bowl with flour and salt. And I just want to say the flour, it needs to be 00 flour. Italian use Caputo, the brand Caputo flour, so that's what I recommend using. It makes really a big difference. And then I will add my water with my yeast, and I will knead the dough until smooth. And also to prevent sticking, you can add a little oil to your end, or sprinkle flour. And this is just how I'm making pizza dough. I'm not an Italian, so this is just my version of this recipe. So your dough should look like this, and I will add just a little bit of oil before I cover the bowl with a clean kitchen towel, and I will let it rise in a warm area for about 2 to 4 hours. For me, I just put it in my oven that is not preheated or anything, and when the dough finish rising, you let the dough rest in the fridge up to 24 hours, and the dough should look like this. And I'm gonna show you how I knead my dough. So I knead the dough one more time, and then I cut it in 2 pieces. So I'm gonna make like 2 pizza, and I'm gonna show you how you can stretch it with a rolling pin, or you can also do it with your ends, just like this. And then I take my ends and I stretch it this way. And this is how I learned to do it in Naples in Italy, really stretching it like this. And then you put your toppings, and then you are left with your pizza, and this crust is really perfect. I hope you try it. The recipe for the dough is on my website, so I will link it in the description box. And have a nice day. Bye.